In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set a timer so your PC or laptop will turn off after a specific time. So to do this, go to the Start menu, then type in Run. We now need to enter in a specific command. I'll leave it in the description below. So the command is shutdown -s -t. You can go ahead and copy that and enter it in. Now you need to type space again, and now you need to enter the time in seconds. So what I would recommend you do is come to Google and type in hours to seconds. You can then type in how long you want to keep your computer up for until it shuts down. So maybe that's 2 hours or 3 hours, and it will give you it in seconds. If you want 2 hours 30 minutes, that will be 2.5. So you can then copy this seconds or just remember it. So then you want to type out the seconds here. So the command is shutdown -s -t space and then the seconds. Then click OK. You'll then get a notification in the bottom right saying you're about to be signed out. Windows will shut down in 150 minutes for me. If you want to cancel this completely, all you need to do is go back to Run and then just type in here shutdown -a, and that will then cancel it. Thank you for watching. That's how you would do it.